Alex CARLUCCI, talking to you again about writing letters of explanation with Gustan Cho Group. So when an underwriter asks to write an LOX or an LOE or a letter of explanation, they're all the same thing. All you're supposed to do is talk about an event in your life that caused you not to be able to make that payment and how you fixed your life and now how it's not going to happen again. So that's all they're looking for. They're not looking for you to say, I hated that bank, they were evil, they tried to rip me off, so I said I'm not going to pay them. That's the last thing they want to hear. So don't ever say you hate banks, otherwise they'll deny you a loan because they are banks for making these decisions. So always have an excuse. Hopefully, not hopefully, but most, good excuses. Something medical came up. Maybe you have some medical collections on your credit report that are showing around that time. Something bad happened to you. You're better now. There's a good reason why you couldn't pay your mortgage on time or you couldn't pay your credit cards on time. A loss of a job a few years ago. You fell behind, and that's another good reason. You went through a divorce. That's a good reason. There's lots of good reasons. So find your reason, what happened to that, and write a story about that event and how you've corrected your life and how that's not going to happen again. That is the basic story on LOXs on like derogatory credit. If you have to write letter of explanation on addresses, they just want to know where you lived. What's this address popped up on your credit report? It's my parents' house. I used to rent there. Or what they're looking for in the letters of explanation on addresses is they're trying to find out if you own any property, if you're entitled to any property, you're responsible for any property that they're not hitting you for in the credit report. So if you are responsible for the property, they're going to figure it out. So you got to be honest on those letter of explanations on addresses. 99 times out of 100, it's just your parents' house is probably on there. Don't panic when you see a bunch of addresses that, oh my gosh, they found all those addresses. Just answer the questions. What is that house? Do you own it? Yes or no? That's what they're looking for. So give me a call if you get any questions on letter of explanation. They'll help you through it. Customers call me all the time. They're in states that I'm not licensed in. I'll still help them write the letters. Call me anytime. 630-915-7550. Thank you.